Okay, hey guys. Just wanted to show you two bags of random face stuff that I found. So I would like to show you guys all that stuff in there. Let's get started, shall we? The first it looks like I have this Mad Hatter hat that looks like I never finished. Right now. It's not gloss either. There you go, better. It's a Mad Hatter hat cape. Oh no. I just know it was difficult to make this one. That's that. And then I have this, it's actually quite sticky. French toast in the bag. My bag has a little hat, a little maple syrup drop, and a big mustache. The back. Okay. Next I have this little pancake. It has a little piece of butter, and I guess I messed up on the eye, so I sandpapered it off. Never do that. Mess with the butt. Then I think this is a Ninja Turtle. Don't really know. That's probably one of my first charms because it doesn't really very good. This is my dragon from my Super Pokedex Dragon tutorial. That's it. That's it. Yeah, I need to go off that. Then I'm guessing this is like some type of beach. I don't know, it has a leaf. This is adorable. I have a piano. Little chime. Dirty, very dirty on the back. Seal-like thing. I think it's a very bad Mamagoma. I'm not really sure. I think so. And like a little ninja, I guess. That's what that is. Call it a ninja. And the rest of that is the idea I don't really want to show you. Here's one of my first Yoshis. This is one of the better ones too. I was really shocked. Let's see, I'm going to show you what I'm going to show you. I think these are all my Cabochon, not Cabochon, just Deco pieces. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, I was obsessing over making these little rectangular square cakes, with like coconut shreds at the top for my take on it, and little faces on it. That was cute. And then this turtle, I think it's the same style from, I forgot who is it, but they do an Hello turtle or something like that, and Hello, I don't know what it was called, but blue bottomed and pink at the top. And then this little tiger cupcake. I have this 3-tiered yellow cake. It needs little white dots all around it. I guess I forgot to do that. And little blue balls all around it as a border. Everything else is pretty much just duplicated. Different types of rectangular cakes. Here, let me show you. This random pink one, with a little white cream in the middle, a checkered top, and a green star. And this one's like a black, forest cake, you could say. There's chocolate icing on the top, cherry and white feeling in the middle and the brown part in the bottom. I'm going to probably do the face white. I have little whipped cream dollops with cherries. And I have this, and this one's an old one. That's a little carrot cake. Little green carrots up here. Not green, orange carrots, green top. And yeah. Pretty much all I have to show you. Now let's see. The my pathetic things and surprise trick. Oh, that's not this. One second. And then I have this little Maya mushroom. I loved it so much before it burnt. And then I burned all these charms in the oven the other day. No, one day. Not the other day. I don't say the other day. One day. And I decided to keep it because it wasn't that burnt. And I actually kind of liked how it was darker. A darker tone, so. Seems like that make it better. And maybe something in the background. I don't know. So yeah, those are my random things in the bag for today. See you guys later.